Entered into an empty, industrial-styled room. It reminded me of the interior of an airplane hangar. Whoa, I said, my voice echoing. This is way bigger than I expected.
Before proceeding further, you must set the entrance to your personal space.
A blinking, transparent doorway appeared against the front.
I was gonna have to come back to this intersection right here. There it is. Oh!
Missed it by that much.
Fucking shit, man. What the fuck is going on with people today? Jesus.
There you go.
Hey, whatever, however you two role players, that's you. All right, it's back in the day. Then Professor Taylor Sherrill is in. She'll help you win if you're calling number 12. 540-767 star. What do you tell him?
This stock. Now it is our turn to stick it to them assholes. NAVR to the moon, essentially. The bishop was fed up with the short sellers ruining his investments. Parasites of the stock market, he called them. The bishop was trying to orchestrate a squeeze. 12 million of Navarre's 30 million shares had been shorted. If the stock price were to rise, the little guy would win.
How you will feel when I mail that same package to one of your family members or neighbors or coworker, and yes, I will be sure to connect all the little wires. Now, if you decide you want to keep the people
Thanks for watching and have a great day.